Hey guys, today I want to go and show you an unlimited string farm with here's a villager you can trade with. So that's how it works. You just standing there and it's like farming strings and they can get into here very quick. Now you can go and get a villager and then just trade with them. That's how it works. Let's go. So let's start. That's all what you need. All these the blocks, and you can choose whatever you like. So also the trapdoors. Doesn't matter which kind. Alright guys, so before we start, make sure you go and facing south. So make a hole by 3 by 4. So like this. Then get your chests and place them like that, double chests. And go and connect these with the hoppers. Now get your building blocks and place them like this one. Start beside the hopper and then go 2, make it 2 high, then 1 and then 2 again, then 1 again and 2 again. So it looks like this. Alright, now you get your trapdoors, place them on the hopper, on your chests like this. Next we need some sort of you can get up here, and some temporary blocks like this. I'll place them like that. Next we get the trapdoors on this side, close them, remove the other blocks. So this is how it is right now. What you do is now go down and grab a block and place them like this one. Go and get your lever, place them on here, and now you close the trapdoors. So next you go grab your water, get them under the trapdoor, the other one too. So this is what it looks like now. The water is flowing down and gets stopped by the trapdoors. Alright, so go and get your hook, close the gate, so just the water in here. Go and get hook 1 here and 1 here. Now get the string on the hook. 1, 2. Alright, so now make sure when you got all this, you go and get your shears. Make sure the gates are down, and then hold shift and a left click on the string like this. Now open this, switch the lever, and it's working now. There you go. So when you look at this, it's 1/2 stacks, almost 1/2 stacks, almost 1/2, and there's 1/2 stacks. So you got like 4, 5, 6 stacks of strings already. Optional isn't it? Now you go and get a barrel, and you dig like down here 3 times. Now you go set out down the barrel. We go and get a trapdoor like this, and well, for the boat you can go and get a villager very close to it. So just say it's a villager now. So okay, so now you go and have if you're lucky and tried multiple times, go and place and remove the barrel. You right click and you can see strings, so you can go now get the strings, just go trade with them, and he's almost happy like crazy. You can see other ones too. So so yeah, that's how you can now trade with them. You get unlimited strings. Alright guys, so if you want to see more tutorials, go check out my channel. I just started with 1 or 2 new tutorials for 1.21 in Minecraft, but I have also other software if you may be interested. Go just check out my channel, comment and like this video please. If you want to see more, subscribe so you don't miss an episode. for yeah, so you just hit the notification bell. How about see you next time? Bye bye.